Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to look at how you can split or partition your Windows PC hard drive into 2 or even more sections if you want to. This tutorial applies to Windows 10 as well as other Windows operating systems. As you can see here, I have partitioned my Windows PC 1TB internal hard drive into 2 sections. One partition is the C drive, which is of course the system's drive, having 300 plus gigabytes, while my second one, the KB drive, having almost 600 gigabytes for all my personal files. Now I will show you how to split or partition any internal or external hard drives. I have inserted a new 1TB HDD that I bought lately, and as you can see here, it has popped up on my PC Explorer window. So let's get straight into it and split it into 2 sections. Type into your search bar below Computer Management and click on any result that shows up above. When you arrive here at the Computer Management console window, under Storage, click on Disk Management. Just wait for a few seconds, and when it shows up, you can see all the disks that are currently live on my PC, including the one that I want to partition below. Now, right-click on it and select Shrink Volume. You will now be presented with the shrink window as the one you see here. Because I want to split my 1TB disk volume into 2 sections, I will put in 500, replacing the 950, and click on the shrink button below. When this is done, you will see the disk has been split into 2 with an unallocated volume. Right-click on it and select New Simple Volume. A wizard window will pop up. Click the next button below. Then again, click the next button below. Now assign the drive letter you want for your new partition. As for me, I will assign the letter P and click Next. On the Format window, leave everything as they are, and only on the volume label area put in what label or name you want to give to your new partition, and then click Next and click Finish, and wait a few seconds to complete the formatting of your new partition. Now you can see your new partition is ready to be used and has been successfully created or separated from the original volume over here. You can now also name the original to another name or whatever name you wish to, depending on your requirements. That's it, guys. I hope you enjoyed and learned something from this tutorial. Please like and subscribe to help my small channel so I can continue to make more tips like this. Thank you for watching, and see you next time.